Hey, what's up? I'm Matt Kitty from Kitty Woodshop, and today I'm going to be changing out the belt on a Dewalt 735 planer that Jessica and I broke. So the first thing you want to do is loosen up the bolts that hold the sprockets on. And once you get those out of the way, you want to take the tensioner off just by releasing that Phillips screwdriver. They kind of trick you. Every single thing is a different bit, but neither here nor there. Once that's out, you want to put your new belt on the old pulley. And then you want to slide this one off. Now, pay attention. When you pull this off, you got a key that goes in that little slot right there. You want to make sure that you don't lose that. Mine's pretty loose because the nut came off that held the pulley on. But neither here nor there. Make sure that guy is around when you go to do this. Now, you want to get your belt, put it on the new pulley, obviously, and then just use a clamp and just kind of get it. You'll see it right there kind of popped, but you just want it to get right on the shaft. And then you just put the clamp back on so it doesn't wiggle left or right. Tap it on with a hammer, and you're set. Now, that's the easiest way I could figure out to do it. I saw on YouTube some guy just kind of muscled the pulley back on. Yeah, I don't think he can do that. These belts, the OEM belt at least, is like not stretchable at all. So if you go on to Amazon and you see like 2 for $20, and you look at the reviews and people are like, no way, don't buy these. They're garbage. They were shot right after I use it. Spend the money, get the good one. You're not going to be, if you can muscle it on, you're either like the strongest human being on the face of the earth or you have a bad belt. There should be no give on it whatsoever. But reassemble everything, fire it back up, and look, now Jessica can plane that walnut, and I don't have to hear her say, hey, we need to get that planer fixed.